Behold the winds of change. Ah, the pleasures of the evening zephyr, multiplied by my bottle of kefir. I reflect on the week gone by, grateful for the time to gently lay by. I marvel at the pace of change with its awesome potential to derange. They say that the pace of change is relentless. Oh my God, can it really make me clueless? The soul of life beckons within me to listen to the amazing potential that lies within. Fear not of the waves of change, just accept that you need to change. While the fires of change range outside, can you discover your stillness inside? Stop listening to the noises of the ghoul. Start listening to the wisdom of your soul. In silence, you discover your pattern that shapes your reality to happen. They say, go givers gain more. I hope you will now share far more. The winds of change keeps blowing. May your greatness keep shining. We all want the world to be better through us. Let's all get started, else we will likely miss the bus.